Alright guys, so today we are going to see this question on array. So let's quickly see what the question says and what it asks from us. So design and develop and implement a menu driven program in Java for the following array operations. So we are given some operations and we have to create an array and the operations according to the requirement. So A says that create an array of an integer element. So I'm assuming that we are creating an array and we are inserting data into it also. So it will be simultaneously instantiating the array with the total number of elements present in it and then fixing the values inside that array. After that it says display of array elements with suitable headings. So we are going to display the elements inside the array. That's clear. After that we have insert. So we have to insert an element and then push all the forward of all the elements one index forward. So wherever we are pushing we will take the element and the position, and then we will insert that element at that position and then push all the other elements one position ahead. That's what we do in insert. And then we have delete. So in delete what we can do simply is the reverse of insert. So in delete what we do, we pick a position and then we just simply uh, uh, reduce the indexes of all the other elements by one so that we can delete that element. And then E is simply exit. So that's quite self-explanatory, that we are inside a loop and then we have to exit if E comes up. Support the program with functions for each of the above operations. So we have to create functions for each of these operations, except for E, I think so. The operation for E does not require because it's simply just breaking the loop. So I'll be not creating the function for exit. Apart from that, I'll be creating the functions for all the other four operations. So now let's create a overview for this. So this will be okay, it is not selected. Yes, so this will be the menu. Simply it will have A, B, C, D. So let me quickly write A, B, C, D, E, and it will ask and enter choice. So and then what I like here is to put a line above the menu, then after you enter your choice put a line below it. So this makes your menu look separate block apart from all the other elements inside it. So that's what we are going to do in the main. So this will be the main part, and now we have to create for this A, B, C. So we have to create a function of A and A, then I'll create a B method, then a C method, then a D method and E method. So these will be all the methods that I call from here. So if I press A, I'll get into A method, then B, D, C, D, E, E, and so on. So let's see what we do in A. So in A method, before A method we will have an integer array. So this should be static also, because we will be using this inside the other static methods. So I think this is the basic requirement. Apart from this, then the A method will be, well, obviously it will be static, and in this we assign A as a new array, and then this will be A, and then we can give the values to it. I have not fixed how I'm going to give the values. I will see how I give values to A when I get into the code part. For now I'm just leaving it as it is. Now in B method, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply display. So it will have a for loop and we display. What are we going to display? So uh, print array elements, and then can print one by one all the elements. So we can print position and then element. So this is what we are going to do in B. Now let's see what we are going to do in C. So C insert, so it will take two inputs. One will be element and another one will be position, and then we'll see what the content of C can be inside the code. Then D should take a int and a position, and then as of talking about E, we are not going to create any, we just simply break the loop there. So I think this is enough. Now we can jump into the code. We have a slight overview of how we are going to create this.